What are you doing? Keys to the house?
First time opening the door to our new house. Here we go.
Oh,
Da-da-da.
welcome to our new place.
Oh, some chocolates.
Nice spiral staircase.
Look what we got here. We got a little present.
I'm here too.
Oh, yeah.
I'm actually here as well.
No,
So.
I'll have them.
Oh yeah.
Nah,
they're just for
they're
mum and
for
dad.
us. This is all for us. Thank you.
So
That was very special, wasn't it? To get that.
this is upstairs.
Yeah.
Fireplace. All the bedrooms and bathroom and everything's down here. Here's the kitchen. Woo.
We can have some soon.
And little tour. We'll be painting this room because it's pink. And we have no girls that will want to be in a pink room.
This one's perfect for Liam.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah.
it really matches your eyes,
Yeah,
love.
your bloodshot eyes. And there's a blue room that we'll be painting as well. To more neutral colours.
Is this my room?
And there's a
Is this going to
View.
be my room?
outside.
Can this be my room? Because I want to see our chickens.
You want to be able to see your chickens?
Yeah.
There's a little cubby house down there.
Yeah. Well,
Kids
it's
will
fire
love
pit. Well, I can see people go past in my room.
I reckon they've got kids next door too, because they've got play equipment.
Oh, Mum's scoping it out.
You can see them.
And there's the master bedroom.
There wasn't swings.
And the water closet. The toilet.
Yeah.
And the bathroom.
And this bathroom can go that way.
Yeah, you don't want to open it, would
Oh, it's hard to push it.
is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
And we
A
got
fireplace.
And we got a
Fireplace, yeah,
And
not
we got a
fire
fire pit outside too.
pit. No, we don't.
No, we don't.
And we're going down the spiral staircase.
Yes, we do. It's that fire pit.
Whee!
It's that- I mean,
Keep going.
that's it. It's still there.
Make you dizzy. I
So
love the staircase.
there's the staircase, and this is the big
This is our
open
feature wall.
rumpus room.
What's a room? Is there?
It's like the entertaining room.
That's our feature brick wall. Over there.
Yep.
And that is for that
That there is through to the garage and the laundry and second bathroom and toilet and everything down there.